said no.
I'm ugly, man. God damn. What?
What drink you want?
Strawberry lemonade.
No. Wait, I'm sorry. What burger? Crispy chicken?
Yeah.
Hey, can I get the 4 for $4 with the crispy chicken sandwich? Can I get a strawberry lemonade and then can I add on a small fry and that's it? Sweet and sour.
701 at the first window.
Thank you. Shut up, Theo.
Wasn't that hard with her?
Cause I was struggling. I didn't mean to ask you what type of drink you want. I meant to ask you what type of burger.
Tay said, hey.
I don't like you at all.
Oh, shit. I can't.
You should have ordered.
Yeah, I can't even open my eyes.
Car.
Say what?
Bitches. So I still get this nice bubble to my car. Bitches. I should beat the little kid's ass. I should have beat the little kid ass. I don't care if you was recording. Shit.
Nah, you say some people thought you say some people thought I had just let
some
you
people thought that that you had just told me and then I ran outside.
Nigga, it was chilly. It was chilly as hell out there, and I was in a tank top and some gym shorts out there, and I ran all the way to the front of the complex, head to the side. I was like, I know where the fuck they went.
I didn't even know where they went, but I wrote some comment telling them that you ran out first because like Chico was barking crazy, and then you went on the balcony. And then he was like,
we killed one of the little motherfuckers. That's why that shit was in the back. We was about to get ready to kill one of the little motherfuckers, but
you see this big ass mosquito?
I see now.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, like you was like somebody's trying to break into your car, and then you ran out, and then I ran out. I didn't even have no shoes on. That concrete did something to my feet, man.
I slipped my shoes on first.
You did,
I slipped my and I ran straight to the front.
I was like,
shit, I like, man, y'all on some bicycles. You either going through the front gate or the side.
And you was just like, they're over by Savannah's apartment.
I ain't never seen these niggas before. But yeah. No, I thought you was talking about what neighborhood I knew and what street I knew to turn on and everything. I was like,
crazy.
I ain't never seen these niggas before, but turn on this street right here.
Mm-hmm.
And here go these niggas walking up the road.
There was two of them walking up the road.
2 out of the 4 niggas.
And then I was like, I hit my 3-point turn. Then I remember I learned the driver's ed in high school.
Shit.
And I was like, skirt.
You little bad motherfucker.
Like, you the motherfucker. In my car.
Hey, say stop right there.
I sure did. I felt like a gangster for real. Like,
hey, it's especially the way you had did that 3-point turn though. You just,
that was pretty cool.
It wasn't even no 3-point turn. You just went.
I was like, I'm gonna get this motherfucker.
Fuck that shit.
I was like, don't play with me. I was like, I know you was motherfucker that was in my car. It wasn't me. No, I know it was you. I was like, don't fucking play with me.
Yeah, and his friend ran off. Like if it was drive-by, he would have been through.
Yeah, for real. Hey, thank you. Oh, that's sweet. Wait, turn off the camera.
Hey man, don't tell me these bitches don't got scared thinking we filming them and everything, man.
No, she didn't wave in like a bad way. She just waved.
No, did they send the white man up there to give us the food? Like, wasn't they giving out the food the whole time?
Y'all, no, she giving out the food the whole time.
Girl, y'all cool? Y'all cool?
Y'all
cool? Y'all
Just
cool?
didn't want me filmed. But yeah, anyway, back to our story. This is aftermath. But yeah, so we had to run up on the little kid.
Yeah, a little punk ass boy with dreads and shit. I should tell his full description and what street they was on and everything like that. But I ain't gonna do all that because I'm for the youth. Because I could have had them go. Because here's my thing.
What's that?
If we catch their asses doing it again, they going to jail.
Oh,
like that's my motherfucking warning. Like I don't know if anybody ever ran up on y'all. Actually ran up on y'all before and everything like that. So
I was talking to my coworker and she said that she saw them one time and she asked them and they said no. But I don't know if she went up on them the way we went up on them.
Exactly.
We were a little aggressive.
Shit.
So I don't know if it was the same type
we came with the bat.
confrontation.
Came with the bat and the pocket knife and I tell you everything.
But I I'm really just glad I didn't take anything in my car. I'll be honest with y'all. Normally, I have like money in my car, and for some reason, I didn't have it in there, which I'm glad. And like, my doors are normally locked too, but this time, you know,
My fault.
well,
Nah, I was
it
carrying.
it was both of us.
We was coming from Walmart. I carried up that water.
Yeah, you were carrying water.
They
and,
like,
like
nigga.
2 or 3 other
They
bags.
like Theo trying to come up with his excuse.
But like,
Yeah, I was carrying up my water. I was carrying up the damn 32 pack. He's like, this is a 24. No, 32 pack. And I had the other bags too. Carried it all. So I go without even coming the second round. You know how we do.
right, of
But
course, baby.
but I
It's
forgot to hit the
and
lock
normally,
key.
like, normally I'm like, lock the door. Because I gotta hear the alarm, but I don't. And I was just thinking about that last night. I was
Damn,
like,
y'all just really, I'm sorry.
I was just thinking about that last night. Like, the one time that you don't like check to make sure that everything is secure is the time where something like that would happen.
Yep.
And I was just like, damn, because it was like, damn, like, it was our fault because we didn't lock the car doors, but it's just like fucked up because you would think that from the car doors not being locked, somebody wouldn't be in your vehicle.
Hell yeah.
And like, I'm just glad that like they didn't take, because your wallet was in here and they didn't take your stuff because they could. But they
Obviously,
wouldn't have been able to
our
do
shit
anything.
we too broke for shit they want.
Well, no, it's
Oh
like,
yeah,
I
they
mean,
took.
it was
Yeah,
your
they did take your thing. Though.
Yeah, they did take my bracelet.
Yeah, so I wish we would have known that before, cause I would have hit that nigga then. Oh, put it on me.
Any of y'all eat boiled salmon? Cause Theo was like, we got food for Wendy's, right? But I'm cooking later on. Like, this is a little snack. But I was like, I don't know how I want to cook it. Da da da. Theo was like, you could boil it, cause I was like, boil.
I was being funny. That's the shit.
You say.
I was being funny. You took that
Nah,
shit
he
serious,
was
man.
like, you can eat anything boiled.
Yeah, you can, cause
But who
think about
the
like
fuck? Who the fuck is gonna eat boiled salmon?
what the thing is, the 40 days, 40 nights people.
But I
What's
was
that
like-
show? What's the show they be on? Where they be naked and afraid? They eat a fucking boiled. They'll boil the fuck out of salmon and eat
But
that shit. Tell me you
I
ain't.
thought you meant broiled. Broiled.
No, I said no boiled.
But yeah, you said boiled. But I'm like, who is gonna eat boiled salmon?
Dude, son, you silly, bro.
Why would you want that?
Who said I would eat your cookie?
Fine, you don't gotta eat my cooking tonight. That's cool. Find
We
something.
got-
Find
we got
another to eat.
Wendy's.
Find something else to eat, partner.